This is very dangerous. It's a Dodge with a razor. It's a side-by-side that he is hauling in the back of his truck, which looks like it's orange straps just covering the back wheels and attaching to the bed, it looks like.
Yep, looks like he has it in there with the famous Harbor Freight straps. You get 4 for $6.99.
Which will eventually snap on you.
Looks like an accident waiting to happen.
Wow. It's better to hold that thing on a trailer than to hold it on that thing. I mean, first of all, it looks like a piece of crap. And second of all, it's unsafe as heck.
We should send it to dangeroustrailers.org.
Now, I was thinking about doing it to both YouTube and dangeroustrailers.org, killing 2 birds with 1 stone.